Compared with the research we had in Karamoja, we find that the knowledge they have is similar, and the plant they're using is similar with the one which also Karamoja here. There must be something valuable with that plant. We find that there were also some challenges which could not allow them actually exploit their knowledge, like religious beliefs. Some say that once I'm already saved, I don't need again to use these local medicines. That will be like witchcraft, and people will mistake you for witchcraft. So people tend to leave these herbal medicines, whether they're good or not. You know, the government now is looking at modernization every time, using modern livestock, modern techniques, modern everything. Yet actually, what they have been using is even better than the modernization which the government is talking of today. And all this is just because they don't have resources to help them come together as one body. Then they share together their knowledge. Maybe they try to develop it. As I finished the research, it's so interesting. Our goats, and these are exotic goats, they fell sick of this lumpy skin disease. You will see them as well. I thought they were all going to die. I used the local medicines to treat these goats. You see how they are. Their condition was too poor. They have improved. These medicines are really, they are very, very good. This disease cannot be treated with the modern medicine. You can only treat the other symptoms. They need to be vaccinated before they fall sick. All the trainings are on modern medicines. No training on this ethnovet thing. Yeah. Like this one for wounds. This one we have further tried to extract it from a plant which is called lekere. These medicines can be used both in livestock and then also in human. If you have any rash, this can treat, and then also in poultry. Like these ones are black stone. These ones are made out of bones, the femoral bone of the cow. You can catch even in your mouth. It has a spark.
It absorbs the poison.
It absorbs poison.
We have the willing farmer. Then we have the cows. We have the facility here. This facility here, this building. Maybe we have the local market around and the people willing to work.
The farmers themselves are willing, they support the organization.
They understand what a cooperative is. They are just beginning to know what a cooperative is.
When we pay it after 2 weeks, they get the pay. At the end of the month again, they get the pay.
Most of them range from 100 to 200. That is the range of payments per at least 2 weeks.
It is something substantial. The only difference is that those farmers who get that amount of money have smaller farmers behind them. It's not a single person who gets that money.
Much of it goes to the farmers. And then and the running costs. So when it comes to paying the staff, we find that at times we even forgo a month before paying them the other month.
The workers always suffer a lot. They get money late after paying the farmers. You know, the farmer cannot understand because they ride and they need their money.
We don't have enough facilities, especially when it comes to cooling milk. You know, we don't have enough storage capacity. So you find that if we get a lot of milk, the milk goes bad, and that's a big loss to the cooperative.
We only have the bicycles which help us to go to nearby markets. But now going to those farm markets, which can take a lot of milk.
We've got the runners from various communities. So they come here, we give them bicycles, then they take the milk, the little quantities, then they go to sell in local markets there. At the end of the day, they collect and they are paid their wage after work.
I think the issue here would be to get more local markets here. which can be reached by bicycle or can be reached or using motorcycles.
The best methodology of development is a methodology that empowers the person at the grassroots to use his own means to survive other than making a person dependent. You know, when you make a person dependent from outside, the person loses the ability to make decisions. Even the creativity in that person is killed. So that's why for me personally, I think that the development of Africa will not only be achieved through the support from out. We have a lot of initiatives within ourselves to control and determine the destiny of our development. The kind of transformation we need is that one that empowers people right from attitudes to begin believing that we own our own development, and then we have the right to claim for certain things.
Rang borok cari-cari kongeni ngulu kote. Wani nguna kemana jadi puni deh nguna kadang-kadang ngetong. Kita iya kadene.
Kemudian ngoni Korea. Iya ini.
Amra boy juga berada. Kan itu jangan orang. Semua wana kan moti jangan borok ipat. Ya baru gua jana. Kayak kero pedo. Anu ngudelu. Mama kau
Achugana.
Kuyena.
Wakabanglo.
Tapem. Anjir tu ni ada orang gitu. Itu yang amakai. Kamu tengok apa? Grimara na buriama. Ini jangan ni ada kaya apa? Kamu jangan nunggu deh. Amir robo karan tipe aburine. Lagi robo. Orang abulok ada.
Ada kena udah lu ha. Iya lu ya tahu dulu.
Kadi jol ada yang abala. Aterai kero bolo dukun. Ada kau ada kuni dia ini arai ngedi. Moya kan arai gini. Ai ngari mano. Ai lo. Kana.
Anu boya.
Oh mano ngana ngagi piara kan.
Ana orang kita iya pio kama makai. Kita ada kena kalau kena amal na. Lo tahu kita daun. Jangan kena beregni. Anu betul nana tamet engkangku.
Ani mo kana ba tamete na bocha ngundu na ka ku ya tamara ko ke chaka ku na pe ngwana gwa wana awna ku yu agwa wana ka mo ya lokap na wana ta uno ara ro ya tamara abalu ni chaka nge to da ka pe
ye zara bana yinda wana tamara ibara ya ko longana ne ran ke to lu ye pe lu
ara bu janye ye pe da kama mo kama angara kana
na wana mo ye ya pare ke to ta daun er ko ndre dinche
Ani bo,
pura kai.
aina bayar ngai rupunata.
Nani ngolok dia gini.
Awuni ki aku jana boga bu akiru. Haru ko muni agi monu. Te jala na ngeto. Iyo ngena ya. Gi yap. Ide undro bo jangeto. Gi yar akiru. Wiji muni akiru nalu. Bale butu ngediad. Bale butu nyo. Yang utang kita ada.
Yang kau kita ada.
Kau tene.